Good morning. It's Christmas morning, Christmas afternoon, 2019. Had a great day so far, opening gifts. All 4 kids were here. Now they've gone off shooting and doing their thing, and I get to come out into the garage. So I just figured I'd tell you about this little Vise pedestal that I made. Nothing special. Actually a cheesy China Vise, $50 at Tractor Supply until they get something better. But the rest of it is all scrap. Just thrown together. One of the things I did was this is a brake drum off of the rear of F550, pretty big and heavy, but it wasn't quite heavy enough. I was going to fill it full of concrete, but I ended up finding some more smaller front brake rotors to cars, and I was able to fill that void with those and weld them in there, and now I got the weight I want without the concrete. But anyway, just a couple hour project. Allows them to sharpen their chainsaws here. No, if it does teeter, you just turn it a little bit and everything's good. I just weighed it with the trusty crane scale over there, and it is 109 pounds, obviously without the chainsaw. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Remember Christ in Christmas. Have a great day.